Hey guys, welcome back. So I thought I'd make a short video on installing Java on Ubuntu 16.04. Pretty much be the same thing for 18.4. Let's just jump into that, switch to CLI. So first we need to update, get the latest packages, so we put apt, maybe update. And we type in our passphrase, get the new package list. And sudo apt install, and this is going to be default. And whoops, install that. And then we need to install, I need the DK also. It's only take a minute. Okay, now I'm going to put Java. Oops, I ain't typing Java. We can get the version. There we go. Now I have Java installed. I'm going to be needing this because I was going to install VirtualBox on here, which requires Java, and also the Burst wallet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.